Hi everyone, this is John of Art and welcome once again to our Ilonggo channel. Let's learn a few Ilonggo words. So what I'm doing right now is snacking, but may not be a healthy option because, I'm snacking, but sometimes I do give in to temptation. So I'm snacking right now. In Ilonggo, snacking means kuyam-kuyam. Because, sometimes we have that craving to chew and chew. So this craving is satisfied by chewing on something or kuyam-kuyam in Ilonggo. A heavier snack, like if there's a cake, coffee, or something that's heavier, it's also called pamahaw. Although pamahaw usually means breakfast, but a coffee, an afternoon tea, if other people might call it, we also call it pamahaw. So it's like an in-between meal. So in between breakfast and lunch, or lunch and dinner. So, the Filipinos in general like to eat, small in-between meals just to satisfy that craving. So, like what I'm doing right now. When you have this craving, it's not necessarily that you're hungry or gutom. Gutom means hungry. It's just this craving. I don't know if there's any long word for craving. Um, like finding something, finding a taste. So maybe nagapangita, looking for something, like looking for something to put into the mouth. So there's really no direct translation for craving. And well, I'm so hungry because I'm trying to go vegan, but still I'm not very successful at that. So now I'm so hungry, I need to eat something and there's nothing here. Typical for kuyam-kuyams are something that's crispy, so it's called hagpo. When you hear that, when you chew on something and you hear that crispy crunch in your mouth, it's called hagpo. Ragumo. So aragumo means that crunchy sound inside the mouth. Okay, well, actually, I'm waiting for someone. So, waiting meaning nagahulat. Hulat is wait. That's why I made this video for now. But I think he's downstairs now. So, I have to cut short this video. But I hope you learned something, which is kuyam-kuyam. Okay, this is John of Art. And see you once again in our next video. Bye-bye for now. Thanks for watching.